Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. So I have a dip for potato chips that is very easy, very cheap, and it's pretty delicious. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, start out with some sour cream. Let's get this open here. Okay, there, open. Onion soup mix, okay? You can use any brand you want. Now, what I suggest is you start out with one pack, okay? So start out with one pack onion soup mix, pour it in. And mix it up, okay? So you can mix it up or put in a dish or a bowl or whatever, mix it up. Give me a sec, I'll mix this up, okay? All mixed up. Now, I like using Ripple potato chips. These are just cheapo brand, but they're rippled. I don't have any flavor with them, anything at all. Now you can use flavor, whatever you want. But I like the Ripples because when I dip them in, as you see, it grabs some of the dip. Absolutely delicious. Now, this is old school, pre all the dips in the stores and that sort of stuff. This is old school mix. My mom used to make that for me when I had friends over. So, like I say, you know, and if you want it stronger, you can put a little more onion soup mix with it. But I find this with one packet on this. This is a 500 milliliter. So you see the size of it if you're in the States or wherever. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Guys, it's Christmas time. It's having friends over. You want something that's a little different. Not like a lot of the dips that are on the shelves. This is a little different. It's cheap and easy to make. And it makes a lot. Your friends will likely go, hey, that's really different, really good. I hope this helps you out. I hope you enjoy it. If you give it a try, if you make it up, come back, let me know what you think. Or if you've had it before, like I say, this is old school stuff. Anyway, guys, that's about it. I'm going to have some more chips and dip with Abby, and we're going to enjoy ourselves on this great day. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.